Today we're gonna be reading The Nights Before Kindergarten. My brother is starting kindergarten and I'm gonna start 4th grade. I have my brother here. He's licking a candy. Might look like he has a pacifier in his mouth, but he doesn't because it's a ring pop he put on his thumb. Okay, Okay, let's start reading now. You can see she's packing her bag with her notebook, her crayons, her box of crayons. There's her outfit, and starting in September, let's see. The 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th. Looks like she's starting September 6th. Okay, let's start reading. Oh, and she has a little doggy there. Night Before Kindergarten. Written by Natasha, illustrated by Julie Durrell. 'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. Shiloh, are you scared and excited at the same time to go to kindergarten? No. Are you excited or scared? Excited. Oh, looks like she's packing too. All of her supplies. And then he's packing, his notebook. Looks like his little school bus. Looks like a little toy there. Excuse me, my cat leaped up on the table. You have to let him in because he keeps meowing and I feel bad. Okay, you gotta keep down. And it looks like he's packing like 2 toys here. A pencil, a pen, another notebook, and a ruler. They tossed and turned about in their beds while visions of school supplies danced in their heads. It's like he's dreaming about painting and then coloring, drawing. She's also dreaming. So did the painting with the tape cutting and the button painting these? Yeah. Creative stuff, both of them are. Oh, and she has a little cat cuddled up. Erasers and crayons and pencils galore were stuffed in their backpacks and set by the door. Outfits were hung in the closets with care, knowing that kindergarten soon will be there. Shiloh, are you scared too for kindergarten? No. So you're just excited. Even I'm happy. You're happy to go to kindergarten. I'm happy 2 days old. Yeah, Charlotte, the night before kindergarten, are you gonna be like, oh, I gotta get this ready. I'm gonna get this ready. No, I'm gonna have a dream a lot of kindergarten dreams. Oh, they're gonna have a lot of dreams about what kindergarten is gonna be like. Looks like her mom is practicing piano, and her dad is reading the newspaper. Their dog is laying on the porch outside alone during the night. And then their backpacks are set by the door. And there's like their closet where they hang up their clothes. And then they're sleeping. In the morning it came. School starts today. Would the teacher be nice? Would they still get to play or dance? It's not in the book, but dance is fun. Playing with blocks. What could they do? Shiloh, do you think you'll still get to play in kindergarten? Yes. Do you think the teacher will be nice? Yes. Okay. Looks like they're eating breakfast here. That girl is getting changed. Faces were washed and teeth were brushed white. Kids posed for pictures with eyes sparkling bright. This boy's washing his face and then this girl's brushing her teeth. And then they're all posing for a picture to go to kindergarten. Parents packed snacks and kids hopped in the cars. Not actually hopped, like we're excited probably. As if they were boarding a spaceship on Mars. That seems fun. The kids are running and then the parents are making lunches. Looks like all these kids live on Cherry Street. Some kids brought their blankets or their favorite stuffed bear in hopes they could nap like they did in daycare. Their parents exclaimed, "You're big kids! Wow! Let us just hold your bears and blankies for now. Lots of blankets and stuffed animals. Let's put these to the side. Parents were worried their children would cry if they left them at school with just a goodbye. So they told their darlings, if you want, we can stay and make sure that everything will be A-okay. Looks like some kids are meeting their teacher. Wonder what their teacher name is. Maybe we'll find out later in the book. The teacher then greeted each one with a smile and invited the students to stay for a while. The room was all filled with toys, books, maps, but where were the beds for mid-morning naps? Child, do you think there'll be naps at kindergarten? Oh, no. Oh, yes? No, yes. There's gonna be no naps, but you're gonna have tons of fun. There's probably gonna be the toys, the books, and maybe the maps. There's definitely gonna be toys and books there. They colored and painted and played Simon Says. They tumbled and skipped and stood on their heads. They sang silly songs. La 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 la. The wheels on the bus go round and round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Hey! From beginning to end, within just a minute, each kid had a friend. The children were happy. They loved Miss Sunrise. Oh, her name is Miss Sunrise. It was she who was in for a giant surprise. When what to her wondering eyes should appear, but the sad moms and dads were holding back tears. Their noses so sniffly, their eyes red and wet. This was the saddest goodbye Miss Sunrise has seen yet. She gathered the grown-ups on a magical rug, then sent them away after one final hug. Okay. The children all waved. From the door of the school, don't cry, Mom and Dad. Kindergarten is cool. The end. I hope you enjoyed my book with my brother. Some funny moments, but we all did it. Thanks for watching my magical story time. I've also read The Night Before New Year's. If you haven't seen that yet, why don't you go check it out, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic school year. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.